In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube search using the Canva site. So Canva is a really great site for beginners, and if you don't know anything about designing or editing, then Canva is perfect for you. So go to the Canva site and create an account. After creating your account, you'll see this interface, and you just need to go to the search bar and search YouTube Search. If you are a blogger, then just type blog YouTube search. If your topic is about food, then you can type food. So just type in the category you want and search for it, and tons of templates available for you. If you don't like a particular template, just explore more. And after looking through them, if you find one that you think is good for you, just click on it. These are the paid templates. But you don't have to worry because there are also many free templates as well. So I like this one and I'm just going to customize it. Now I'm able to edit whatever I want. So I'm now able to change whatever I want. If I want to change the text, just click on it, press backspace, then type in your change. If I want to change the font, just click on the text and you can see here there's the option to change it. All right, I like this one. In this way, you can change the font as well. Also, if you want to add your own image, just locate the Uploads option on the left side. Click on it and upload from your computer. After uploading, your image or video will appear here. And just drag it to where you want to place it on the image. That way, you can replace it. If you want any other elements, they're also available. So if I want, for example, a tower, I just type it, and there are options for graphics, photos, videos, audios. Everything is available here. So I want graphics right now. These are the paid ones. I want free. So, all right, this looks better. All right, I will just play around with the elements as well. Like this, you can edit whatever you want. And if you want a longer length, here is the option to just drag it and play around. Just make sure that these are the same length so nothing disappears. You just need to maximize the length as well. Yeah, you can play around however you want. In this way, you can edit your shorts, and once you are ready to export, for the exporting process, just go here and just download it. And there are many other formats as well, so of course it is MP4 for YouTube. Then just download it. So in this way, you can easily make your YouTube search in Canva. It's a really great site, and you don't have to create your shorts from scratch. There are lots of templates available in Canva, so you can just customize and reuse them for your YouTube search. So if you have any questions about this video, please comment below. I'll be answering all the questions. And if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.